In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of ChatGPT by using its powerful connectors feature. This allows you to connect ChatGPT with various apps, enhancing your productivity like never before. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to open ChatGPT. Simply head to chat.openai.com and make sure you log into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll want to start a fresh chat session to have a clean slate for this tutorial. Now that you're all set up, it's time to ask ChatGPT about connectors. You might wonder what connectors are and how they function. For instance, you could type a request like, "Explain ChatGPT connectors in simple terms." Show me how they allow ChatGPT to connect with apps like Google Drive, Slack, or Notion. Keep it beginner-friendly with examples. This query will help you understand the idea of connectors and get a grasp on how they can integrate seamlessly with your favorite apps. Once you have a decent understanding of connectors, the next step is to choose an app you'd like to connect. Let's say you've chosen Google Drive. You can ask, "Show me step-by-step how to connect Google Drive to ChatGPT using connectors. Explain how to enable it, what permissions are required, and give me 2 example use cases, like summarizing documents and finding files quickly." This will provide you with a detailed explanation on setting up the connection, ensuring you know what permissions you're granting and understanding the potential benefits, like better managing your documents and increasing the speed of finding and utilizing files. As you gain more confidence in using connectors, you may want to generate workflow ideas. You can ask ChatGPT to give you 5 useful workflows after connecting with Slack and Notion. Examples could include sending automated messages, summarizing team updates, and organizing meeting notes. This opens up a myriad of possibilities for automating and streamlining your tasks, making your work life a lot more manageable. Of course, with any technology, you might run into some hiccups. If you do face connection issues, you can ask ChatGPT to list the most common problems, such as login errors or missing permissions. It can then provide step-by-step solutions in plain English, guiding you through resolving these problems efficiently. Finally, once everything is running smoothly, you can start building simple automations. For instance, consider creating a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT with Google Sheets to automatically generate a weekly report. Within this guide, you would set up the connector, include a sample prompt, and explain how to export the data effectively. And there you have it, step-by-step instructions to leverage the power of ChatGPT connectors, boosting your productivity and simplifying your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!